Another day on the grind. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and I am here, back at it again with another YouTube video for y'all. So it's a couple things I want to talk about. Number one, I want to talk about the SR journey and how I've been feeling these past 10 days. And then number two, I want to talk about how the lack, right? Cause we all are abundant, but some people really think in lack. So how the lack of money affects your well-being, right? So these past 10 days, I've been feeling way better than I did, like on day one when I told y'all about, my relapse or whatever. My energy has been skyrocketed. My like the internal fire, it always stayed lit on this journey. I persevered through a lot of different things in life, and I learned how to push through whatever I'm going through. Sometimes you never know what a person is truly going through because you can't see inside of a person. You can only pay attention to the outside, right? But we all going through something in life, me personally, I am learning how to be more resilient in my life. I am learning that a lot of things are not in my control, like the way that people feel or the things that people do for me, like that's not in my control. The only person that I can control is myself. I also learned too to put more faith in God, because God is within and God is always with us. Sometimes you only like to praise God when like things are going good, and then like we ask God to hear us when things are tough. But the way that life works is that you have to learn how to talk to God through anything, through the good and through your learning experiences in life. Another thing too is just getting more deeper into my purpose on this planet, because there be so much things that I be wanting to tell people, but sometimes I be feeling like they not really gonna listen. Like for instance, I could tell y'all that y'all gotta learn how to be more protective of your energy, right? Or y'all gotta learn that SR is really important, because the average person ain't gonna take it serious, right? The average person is gonna continue to be their own demise, meaning you just gonna continue to think you watching these videos to help you cope with life or help you try to get through a bad day. But in reality, the only person that can help you get through that bad day is yourself. And you gotta learn how to feel your emotions. The addiction that people have to PMO, it leads to other addictions, And if you're addicted to something, it's something within your energy that you have to learn how to let go. You gotta learn how to release, right? So you gotta learn how to release that attachment to the PMO. You're a spiritual being having a human experience. You should not be watching other human beings fornicate and think that that shit is cool, right? Or think that that's normal. They normalize so many things, but yet people don't really see through the illusion. It's kind of scary, because the PMO industry will continue to make millions and millions and millions of dollars off of the people's lack of awareness, And when you lack the awareness of what's going on, you just stay in the same cycle. You feel me? So overall, like I said, though, I've been feeling good. I've been connected to the source. I've been using my energy to put it into my goals, to raise my vibration, to raise my frequency, and to just improve myself mentally, spiritually, physically, emotionally, and of course financially. Now, one thing that people got to realize is that we all have the ability to teach ourselves how to naturally get rich, because riches first start in your mind, right? And riches first start with the way that you're gonna view money. So some of us have like this negative programming towards money, but yet think that that's gonna help you get rich. It's not, right? Some people have been programmed to think that money is a root of evil, or the love of money is a root of evil. The lack of money is evil. I'll be the first to tell you that. The lack of it, because you can't do nothing without it. You understand what I'm saying? And then, like, this word is very contradicting, because if you say that that money is evil, but you spend 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day working for the money, so then what are you telling yourself? That you're gonna spend hours of your life that you can't get back working for the money. So you're gonna spend hours of your life working for something that's evil. That don't make sense, right? So people are programming themselves, right, to think that something is evil that they need. It's not money, because money is piece of paper, it's currency. It's people that do stupid stuff, right? It's people that live in this low vibration, this low frequency, to where they live in envy, they live in jealousy, they live in self-doubt, right? And that's a scary place to be in, because all of those things are programmed in your subconscious mind. So now you start thinking that you can't do certain things, right? Now you start thinking that things are not obtainable for you, or success is not meant for you, but it's only meant for other people. This is why I tell y'all gotta change your relationship. First with yourself, well, first with God, secondly with yourself, right? And then thirdly, you gotta change your relationship with your family, your spouse, and with money. Like, that's just real talk. Like, you gotta learn how to have more respect for yourself, more respect for money, because at the end of the day, we all need it, bro. We gotta make sure, like that's the only way you really gonna take care of yourself. How you gonna eat? How you gonna survive on a planet without it? Yeah, it's man-made, it's created, right? What can we do about it? Nothing. You know what I'm saying? The only thing we can do about it is teach ourselves how to make more, right? Teach ourselves how to own assets, how to own stocks, how to own real estate. And I tell you all the time, man, if you're gonna make a YouTube channel, at least talk about money, bro. Because there's nothing wrong with that. At least talk about it. You feel me? Another thing too that I be telling y'all is that, like, the reason why I say like the lack of it affects your mental well-being is because, like, God did not say for any of us to be lackful, right? God don't want any of us to be lackful, or to be suffering, or to be like struggling, bruh. Like, think about it, bruh. Nobody wants to struggle. Nobody wants to just make enough. And y'all might be looking at me from the outside in, and y'all might be like, oh, but you walk and you do Uber Eats. It's all right. This is just a time in my life where I'm at right now, but it's not gonna be where I'm at forever. You know? I'm just rolling with the punches. Feel me? I'm learning how to maintain a more positive mindset towards the money that I make, and how to, like, focus on growing it, you know? And being on SR, it'll definitely teach you that. Like, it'll teach you structure. It'll teach you focus. It'll teach you how to have, like, a bigger vision for yourself. It'll teach you how to really start thinking in life, bro. Like, some people might not believe it. Some people might think that, oh, SR is a placebo. It's fake. It don't matter. But that's your own limited beliefs. And then you gotta remember that limited beliefs, that just come from you. Because you are the source. You are the source of your reality. So if you put the limitation on yourself, it's just self-imposed. You know? If you get paid for work and you go spend your money in a bar, or you go drink your life away, or you go buy a whole bunch of stuff that don't matter, that's on you. Nobody's telling you to do that. You feel me? So we gotta start looking at this reality a little bit differently. Like, How can I have more respect for myself, more respect for money? How can I grow it, plant seeds of prosperity, plant seeds of abundance? And how can I stay consistent with that? That is a natural flow. Like, that's just what life is. Life is a natural flow. And a lot of things I will talk to you, it will talk from people outside of yourself. That's why I tell you, it all starts with how you feel on the inside. It all starts with you. You gotta figure out your own life, your own purpose, what you're here to do, who's the person that you want to become. Feel me? And then you gotta let go of like, if you don't got confidence in yourself, you gotta let go of that. Like, you gotta learn how to be confident in yourself, because confidence is key. There's only one of you. You know what I'm saying? So, but overall, man, focus on your retention journey. Focus on letting go of PMO, and focus on getting to the money. Word, you cannot survive without it. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your spouse. Just like you want your spouse to take care of you. And talk to God, bro. Real talk. Like, comment, subscribe if you do. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.